what minimum value should be assigned to a star so that 2361 star 48 is exactly divisible by 9? Any number will be divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit or the given number is divisible by 9. For example, 81, we know it's divisible by 9. How? Look, 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So this 9 can be divisible by 9. More example, suppose we can say 381. Is it divisible by 9? Let's check. First 3 plus 8 plus 1, it will be 12. So 12 is not divisible by 9 because remainder will come. Therefore, 381 also not divisible by 9. So same thing, we can say 2361 48 will be divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9. So let's check. First, here is a 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus here is a star, we don't know the number, then 4 plus 8 equals to. So first here is a 2 plus 3 is a 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, then 12, 12 plus 4 is a 16, and then 8, it will be 24, right? Plus this star, right, is divisible by 9. So what is the, here is informed what minimum value. So which one we can input in here? So it's clearly star equals to 3 because 27, if we put 3, so 24 plus 3 equals to 27, which is divisible by, you can say divisible by 9. So our answer is number B, 3. So this is a very simple answer, but why I am writing like this? Because if you understand the main thing is, first we have to make summation, then we will think this summation, is it divisible by 9 or not? So thank you very much for being with me.